Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect your DREAME Roboticmower A1 to your application. So you have to start by opening your DREAME app and then click on scan your QR code. And now you have to scan QR code from your robotic mower, and it is here under this plastic cover. Now you have to scroll down and click on Start Network Configuration. Here you have to check this checkbox, and then you have to press this knob for 3 seconds until you hear a sound from your mower. And now click on Start Pairing. And as you can see, now I'm paired with my robot and I have to enter my PIN. And now click on Connect to Wi-Fi. And here you have to choose your network and Wi-Fi network, and then you have to enter your password and then click Next. And now click on Finished. And as you can see, my robotic mower is now connected to the network, and I have to create map for it, and I will show you how to do that in the next video. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.